Say hello to the newest edition of the Nanoleaf family, Blocks. This exciting new line of panels is just the next step in our mission to provide you with the most customizable and unique lighting experience possible. Blocks don't just look great, they make your items look great too. With our shelves and pegboards, you can display your most prized possessions with pride and personalize your Nanoleaf displays like never before. Because of this lineup's expansive range of products, we offer a variety of combo packs and add-on kits to suit your specific needs. In this video, we'll go over everything that may be included in your package. Included in every kit is everything you'll need for a smooth installation process. This includes a quick start guide with easy to understand instructions. You'll also find all the mounting essentials you'll need, such as mounting tape, both large and small, linkers to connect your panels together. If your kit's a smarter kit, a power supply unit and a controller to get your layout started right, cable covers, concrete and drywall anchors to accompany any panel or shelves that need to be secured with screws. Speaking of screws, and finally, if your kit includes a pegboard, you'll also find some silicone covers. Now, onto the good stuff. Our squares come packed with bright edge-to-edge illumination. They come in a smaller size too to add more detail and variations to your layout. Our textured panels have a unique pattern with raised accents to ensure they stand out in any configuration. If your kit includes the light pegboard, you will also find a pair of pegboard hooks to mount your belongings. Finally, our shelves can be attached to any of the previously mentioned panels. If your kit comes with a shelf, you will also receive a shelf cover. Now, I hope that gave you a good idea of what to expect from our Blocks lineup. Make sure to know exactly what's included in the bundle you have your eye on by following the link in the description below to see our full offerings. Thanks for watching and make sure to follow for more.